Alright guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do something a little bit different since I've been working on a lot of smaller engines, and this video may help a lot of you out that have maybe a push mower that's sitting around and you occasionally use it, and one day you come out and you start cranking on it, it runs and dies, starts up, runs and dies. Hopefully this video will help you out a little bit. Now what we're going to do, we're just going to let the camera roll here. There's going to be no editing or anything, so you can see I'm not doing any tricks or anything. And to prove that sometimes just a simple spark plug can make you really pull your hair out, that you could just have a bad spark plug causing your engine to sputter and die and will not start. Now, if you leave your mower out, and I have been guilty of this, a lot of times rain will actually get in your gas tank. And you really have to look in here. If you see a milky color, get rid of the gas. Dump it out, put fresh gas in there, because sometimes that will cause you an issue. And then one thing leads to another, then you take the carburetor off, you start looking for that, and it turns out a lot of times you could just have a little bit of water in the gas tank. But for now, we're just going to focus on the spark plug. Now, right now we have a good spark plug. It'll go over here and start right up. Let me show you. It'll idle just fine. And you can see it runs just fine. Now what we have here, and I think you can kind of see this, is we have a couple of the plugs here. This red one here is a bad spark plug. This one here caused me a lot of headaches because it was showing it had spark, but what happens after it runs a while, it'll just die out. And I really didn't have any way to check this out. So if you're just an average guy, you know, with a refrigerator in your garage, 6-pack of beer, a refrigerator, a couple pair of pliers, and some small tools, you don't have time to sit around all day and try to figure this out. But I'm going to show you the first thing you really need to do is double check the spark plug. Make sure it's okay, and perhaps get a new one. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and take this one out since we already saw it run. And I think you can still see that. Yes, it's the top of the screen there. Like I said, I'm going to do this video, no editing, non-stop. And we'll go ahead and take this out, and you can see it's actually in pretty good shape. Now we're going to take this other one I have here. It's a good plug. We'll put it in, start it up, and show you that this plug is pretty good too. Alright, we'll put that back on there. Alright, we'll go pull the string, prime it again. And you can see it'll probably run all day until it runs out of fuel. Now, we'll go ahead and put the bad plug in. I should have some gloves because these things get really hot. Alright, so here's our bad one. I painted it red, so I would know. Now, it may actually fire up and run a few seconds, then slowly die. And a lot of people sometimes think that is a carburetor issue. Well, it could be. Before you start tearing your carburetor apart, this is why it's good to go ahead and check the spark plug. So let me try to start this and watch what happens. It may run a few seconds and quit. It may not even run at all this time. See, it tried to run. And see, at this point, you're ready to get frustrated and take a hammer to it. So at this point you say something I want to say, but you say you're not going to deal with it no more and you walk away. Well, this is when you figure your spark plug's just probably bad. We'll take this one back out, and we'll put our other one back in. A little hot. Ay, 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 ay. But you heard it try to run there. Now sometimes before I diagnosed this, it would run for about 10 seconds and slowly just sputter and die. Alright, so that one's back in. Prime it a couple times. See if she runs. So there you go, guys. Always check your spark plug. Just because it sputters a few times and tries to run doesn't mean that spark plug is good. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know where you're watching from. Until my next video, guys, I will see you later.